life. Ang dating pampagising lamang sa umaga, ngayon hinahanap-hanap na ng mga Pinoy anytime. Saan ka man lumingon, siguradong kaliwat kanan na ang mga coffee shop sa Pampanga. Pero bukod sa masasarap na inumin at pagkain, nasa checklist din sa isang cafe ang magandang lugar na pwedeng mag-chill and relax kahit sino pang kasama. Kaya naman kung hanap nyo ay good food, good coffee, plus good music, baka ito na ang perfect place para sa inyo.
My name is Peter Joseph San Gregorio, so a lot of people call me PJ. I'm the project head of this endeavor and in this business. Well, we just started we opened last 25th of May. So we're just 2 months old now and we're doing good.
Siyempre, minsan nasa pangalan niya. May mga kilalang mga brands tayo dyan. Pero ano ang dahilan bakit Cafe Cuadro muna yung pangalan ng ating establishmento?
Well, it's actually the first time that our chairman, Mr. Joseph Franco, actually created the name. So we're thinking of a good name and we thought of Cuadro. But unfortunately, it did not push through. So, since first time niyang gumawa ng pangalan, tinuloy namin. This is supposed to be our office. We're from the Franco Group of Companies, so we're a senior business consultancy firm. What we normally do is we create businesses for other people, not for ourselves. But the only problem that we're having is, saan kami kukuha ng kape? Saan kami bibili ng kape? So we decided to put up a small coffee shop sana. Until, ito na siya.
Okay. So parang hindi na tuloy yung office?
Hindi na tuloy yung office. May office pa rin, pero hindi na talaga siya full house office. Parang naging coffee shop siya in an office, hindi office in a coffee shop.
It's the other way around.
Yes.
Was there any specific choice why Bacolor? Itong shop natin?
Number one, the location is the only one that we saw na feasible dun sa gusto namin mangyari. That's number one. Number two, my boss is from Florida Blanca. And I'm from Guagua. My wife is from Guagua. Our office is in Quezon City. So where else will I put it? I will put it in Bacolor. And we all know the fact that in Bacolor, the rental is more cheaper compared to San Fernando, which is a city already. And looking at the stretch dito sa road, sooner or later, this will be a commercial strip already. And that's how we envision things out, especially with Mega World nearby. So, malaki yung captured market there. At first, it's basically just a coffee shop. So, coffee lang. So, we wanted to get a premium 100% Arabica coffee from Colombia. So, it will never go wrong. My boss is choosing the best among all the sauces and the syrups available para sigurado kami sa lasa. But with the food, since it's Kapampangan, so we seek help from a good friend, Chef Ruben Ignacio, from Unang Hirit, celebrity chef, the singing chef, that actually created the food. He exclusively did all the food that we're offering here in Cuadro. And so far, in our 2 months operation, wala pa naman kaming negative feedback pagdating sa food. So we have different choices from salad to pasta, burger, pizza. We have our Tapsing Bun, that's our latest. Tapsilog, in Kapampangan, it's Tapsing Bun. Tapa, Single, Ebun.
Yes.
Yeah. So I know how to,
nakuha mo na.
So that's Tapsing Bun. It's a traditional Tapsilog. And that's our Manyaman Tunes series. So we will recreate the Filipino cuisine the Kapampangan way. We have fusion bibingka, we have fusion cassava. I don't want also to preempt the viewers kung anong lasa, so they have to really come over to Cafe Cuadro and really know kung ano yung fusion na yan. We have that chicken burger with waffle on top, a different Cuadro burger, a hamburger that's quite different, and of course, our organic salads.
Yes.
Yun na talagang. Lahat po ng raw materials namin ay ginagawa ni Chef from his commissary. Going here, prep lang talaga ang alam ng aming kusinera. So, all they know is just to prepare lang the food, but in terms of the ingredients and everything else, it's exclusive and it's, you know, confidential.
Can you categorically say na itong mga ingredients niyo ay organic, natural, galing sa fresh farms, fresh gardens?
I will say it's natural, but I will not say it's organic. Because organic is not the word that we need to use in terms of food. But it's natural. Kasi it's not, we're not using chemicals in terms of the harvest, during the harvest time and during plantation, whatever. Walang chemical. So we wanted to guarantee everyone that it's natural. And it's fresh all the time. Especially with the shrimps and everything else, as in sobrang fresh na yung aking supervisor nagrereklamo na.
Sa coffee naman natin, pag ako nagpunta dito at kita ko yung mga stuff natin, can you give me or suggest the coffee that could refresh me for this morning? What can you suggest?
Well, there are a lot of
Offerings.
of coffees, of coffee brand or coffee types. But we segmented it in a different way. We have our hot, our cold. We have our barista series or barista specials. We have our refreshers. We have the matcha series, so that it will be easier for the people to choose.
Yes.
Mahirap kasi yung anong bestseller mo, ano bang gusto mo?
Yes, correct.
And one good thing about Cafe Cuadro is that you can actually tell us if you wanted more coffee, if you wanted more sugar, if you wanted less cream. Like for a strawberry smoothie, if you wanted to add some popping boba, pwede. We can customize it for you. Cuadro wants to live with our tagline, we're redefining the coffee experience of everyone. But as we go along, we're looking into coffee, food, plus music now. We just finished our acoustic jam night. And it was very successful. We had great singers, and actually Joshua Wong just is actually singing tonight here in Cuadro. It's his gig tonight, so yun. So we have our Friday acoustic jams, and it's open mic daily. Anyone can sing, anyone can play the guitar if they wanted to, if they wanted to jam. If you guys want to jam with us, just come over. It's for free, no extra charge.
And siyempre meron tayong mga bisita minsan kasama yung mga fur babies. Ito bang cafe nyo ay open sa mga fur babies sila?
Definitely, pusa, aso, pwede alligator, crocodile, pwede pa rin as long as hindi lang sila makakagat. We cater all types of event. We just had a dedication, a child dedication recently. We have a proposal, a wedding proposal here. We have our VIP room that can comfortably fit about 20 people. And that's for meetings, for gatherings, small gatherings of relatives or whatever, reunions. And that's for 2,500 consumable.
Wow!
Fully consumable for 3 hours.
And more on the syempre for intimate events also, may mga meetings pwede rin dito.
Yes.
Okay.
It's already, we have a smart TV already inside that they can use for Zoom meetings or what. Wi-Fi ready lahat tayo dito, the whole place. We have 20% off to all students as long as they have their IDs with them. And if you ace your exam, any exam,
Naka-perfect. 100 over 100.
you
A.
get free coffee of your choice.
So, alam may kasama ako libre. Dabas ako.
Dapat.
Papakita ko yung test paper ko
Yes,
sa'yo. Sir, 100 to ha. Basta hindi dinoktor yung
Well, nasa sa kanila nila yung kung dodoktorin nila. But again, we will be very much open into giving them what's due for them. We don't have any day offs. It's Sundays to Mondays, Mondays to Sundays. We're open from as early as 8 a.m. and
including holidays.
Yeah, definitely, and closes at around 11. But again, we don't force ourselves to close at 11 as long as there's people inside. We stay.
Meron bang promos na ino-offer ang Cafe Cuadro sa kanyang mga loyal clients?
What we normally do is we get the names of the client if they're VIPs already or if they wanted to be VIPs. And what they normally do is approach our cashier, tell their last name, and then the cashier will verify maybe the last 4 digits of her or his contact number, and then we'll give it a discount automatically.
So, meron bang mga delivery options ang cafe natin?
Well, I'm very happy to say that hopefully by next week we'll be Food Panda and Grab ready already.
Ayan.
Now, it's better for you to contact us on our Facebook page as Cafe Cuadro with a dot. And just message us there, and we'll be very much willing to
Okay?
address everything. For our televiewers, if you wanted to redefine your coffee experience, please come to Cuadro, because here there's good food, good coffee, and good music all in one. Thank you very much.
And maraming salamat po sa ating mga tagapanood sa ating programang TopPick. Bisitahin niyo po ang Cafe Cuadro dito sa may Bacolor, Pampanga. Great food, great coffee, and great music. Ako po si Jhoedie, Mercado. Magandang araw po.